Almost getting through. 8D, C, what are we on? E? Oh my goodness, 8E. That's a lot of graphing, but that's okay because graphing is awesome. Graphing trig functions is fun. So again, let's identify some stuff. A, amplitude is 2. Again, just the coefficient of your function, not to be confused with the coefficient of your x term, but just that number out there, that's our amplitude. That tells us that our max is going to be 2 and our min is going to be -2. But, oh crap, we've got a +1 at the end, which means that whatever our graph would normally look like, it's going to be 2 above that. That line was really stinky. I'm going to redo that. Whatever our graph normally is, it's now going to be 1 up. It's going to shift every single thing up by 1. So I'm going to mark another point here, 3. I'm going to mark another point here, -1. And I'm going to mark another point here, 1. So now we have a nice scale going. Period, again, is just normal to pi because there is no coefficient in front of our x term. So let's start doing it. Sine normally, again, unit circle. Sine normally starts at 0, but we're going to get 0 plus 1. Boom. So we're starting right there. Next point. Oh, my goodness, I didn't split our axes up. My bad. 2 pi, pi, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. I hope that's getting quick for you. These graphs really can be quick if you understand the symmetry and the relation between fractions here. Cool. Okay. So again, like I always do, the starting value and the ending value are going to be the same. And with sine, it's also going to be the same halfway through. So I got 3 points. Now, to finish up, I just got to fill those points in between. Sine starts at 0 and then goes to its maximum a quarter way through. So, a quarter way through at pi over 2, I need to be at my maximum value. Now, normally that would be 2, but it's got to be 2 plus 1, putting me up to 3. 3/4 of the way through my cycle, sine should be at its minimum value, which again, normally would be -2. But I have to add 1 to that. -2 plus 1 is -1. So I get that point right there on top of my labeling. And I can sketch my curve in. And again, you can kind of imagine like that line running through there. Normally that's going to be running through the x-axis, but this entire graph is shifted up 1. Can you kind of see how like everything has just gone up by 1? Otherwise it looks exactly the same. Our amplitude is still 2. Our period is still 2 pi.